While learning the select tag, I forgot to show you a very useful tag, which is the option group tag. So let's understand the option group tag in this video. So I'm gonna write the select tag. The name would be, let's say, laptops. The ID would be laptops also. And in the select tag, I'm gonna have some options. So I'm gonna write the option tag. The value would be ASUS 12FL. Here also I'm gonna write ASUS 12FL. Then I will have two more options. This will be 11FL. This will be 10FL. Let me change that here also. Save the file. You can see we have a drop down menu here. Before the select tag, I'm gonna write the paragraph tag, and here I'm gonna write laptop : save the file. You can see now this is more expressive to the user. Then I'm gonna have some more options. So the option tag, here I'm gonna write Dell 12GL. I'm gonna copy this, paste here. I'm gonna have two more options. Let's see, 1 here also. This would be 10. This also. Save the file. You can see we have the laptop list here. So if the list is very big and there are too many options, we can group them with the option group tag. So I'm gonna group these three options. So before this option tags, I'm gonna write option group tag. So opening opt group stands for option group. Then I'm gonna cut this from here and paste here. So this is now a option group. Then I'm gonna create a group with these three also. So I'm gonna write opening opt group. Then after the options, I'm gonna write closing opt group. Save the file. Now if I expand the drop down menu, you can see these are now in group. We can give some label here with the label attribute. So I'm gonna write label. The label would be ASUS laptops, and in this option group the label would be Dell laptops. Save the file. You can see now the groups have some label. Let's say it is an online shop and the Dell laptops are not available at this moment, so you can use the disabled attribute. Save the file. You can see user can't select these options to buy these laptops. So this option group tag might be very useful in some use cases. So I thought I might show this tag to you. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.